these came highly recommended. I actually paid for these, and it was $180. And these are different from other, you go on Amazon, you see all these cheap, $40 LED adapter type kits. These are way higher quality, way more complete. They're custom fit for your housing. So if you'll notice, they're each marked a different side, and they're clocked just a little bit differently to work best with that side's housing, which is really cool. And they actually have these little built-in fans. It's crazy. And I've read nothing but good reviews of these, so I'm excited to put them in. My truck has the factory halogen lights, and they are horrible. I took some pictures and did some video the other day of driving back home at night, and the video actually looks way better than it actually is. I mean, driving it seems so dim, but my camera really enhanced the ambient light. So it's a little deceptive, but hopefully we'll get these installed, take it for a drive back home from work tonight on the exact same road, and we'll see what the difference is. Oh yeah, and to install these, there's other videos out there. To access the lights, I opened the hood and I was like, oh my gosh, there's no way my big fat hands are going to fit in there. But Dodge, or Ram, actually put little access ports on the wheel wells, so you can get to the lights pretty easily. Now, these are only the low beams. I figured, well, with high beams, I'm going to have some auxiliary lights, and so it'll be fine. I just need my low beams to be brighter and crisper, so I can see obstacles at night. I drive home at night, 5 days a week, and there's lots of deer and raccoon, porcupine, and the occasional moose or elk, so this will help. So, all right, let's check them out. Okay, first bulb in, and you can already tell there's a difference in the color and brightness. Yeah, it's crazy. Okay, let's keep going. Okay, here we are driving along down the highway, 60 miles an hour with the original halogen lights in, and looking through the camera, the viewfinder, it looks a lot brighter than what it actually is. I don't know if I've got a filter or something on the camera, but it does not look that bright looking out the windshield, so yeah. There we go. There's brights. It's pretty underwhelming. See what kind of an improvement we'll get out of the new LED lights. Okay, here we go. We got the LASFIT lights in. This is the same route we took the other day. The white is just so much brighter with these. Hopefully the camera filters won't block that out. Yeah, these are great lights, and I'm happy. It's a good cutoff. Unfortunately, I've got a car in front of me. I wanted to use the brights and show you the difference, because when you hit the brights, you can really see the yellowing. This car is just going incredibly slow. I'm going the speed limit, and I'm catching up to them, so. Light, and you can see that yellowish tint from the brights. And I have re-aimed these lower. I did a leveling kit on it, and I think they could be just a touch higher. They were way too high before. I lowered them down about 5 inches, 6 inches, and it was too much, so I raised them back up a little. They're still a little low, but you can see that beam cut off. But the whites, the output is awesome. Clarity is awesome. The installation was super easy. Top quality stuff. So very happy with it. Alrighty. Get some photos for comparison.